Welcome back to the next level. My name is Ronald Allen Turner. I'm your daily podcaster here in Alberta. Together with me is Ann Curtis,
Thank you.
our guest for this podcast. And we're talking about from struggle to sparkle, the Ann Curtis story. Excited na ba kayong malaman ang mga sikreto ng isang super mom? Ayoko sabing single mom.
Okay.
The super mom
Super.
of 3 kids. And how do you feel right now?
Still nervous?
Still nervous. Now, in the last segment, we're gonna talk about mindset and the impact, empowerment, how to go to the next level. So, ano ang mindset ng isang Ann Curtis pagdating sa negosyo bilang isang ina at bilang isang negosyante? Ano ang mindset mo?
My mindset is like, you have to believe in yourself. Oh, like if you can do something to build something, a business, do something, even it's so risky, try, and then in time you will survive.
Okay.
Yes.
May mga
And then,
tiny habits ka bang ginagawa for a bigger habits?
hindi po. When I wake up in the morning, I pray po muna.
Nice.
Of course, I pray to the Lord na sana maging okay. Kasi
Mhm.
not every day naman magiging, diba?
Yeah.
Good day. So, there is,
May
hindi
bad
mo
day,
alam,
may
diba?
good day, right?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So, and then, the next, is, bababa ako dito, and then, I'll check kung ano yung kailangan gawin. And then, yung brain ko kasi sometimes, like, for example, my business is just here in home base. So, still my brain is, I want to expand. But, I want to be ready emotionally.
Mhm.
Yun. So, yun yung nag-hold back sa akin, yung maging ready ko emotionally and also yung kids para sa akin. Kasi, pag once na alam ko, pag lumabas na ako, there's more responsibility with that.
That's correct. And speaking of responsibility, God created us with 2 ears, 2 eyes, 2 arms, 2 legs. And talking about balance, how do you balance yourself with your kids and your business?
Time. Yung time ko po, especially na yung yung booking ng client ko. So, if there is an activity for kids, so nagbablock ako ng time para sa kanila.
Okay. Para priority pa rin sila. Great. And you don't wanna miss the thing to become a mommy.
Actually, my priority is my kids.
There you go.
Yun. So, if in case man I can work late, but I make sure na nagawa ko na yung responsibility ko sa mga.
Who is Ann Curtis in one word?
In one word, strong.
Oh, di ba? Ang bilis talaga. Strong!
Yeah.
Hindi weak si Ann.
No,
And
I'm strong. I know I'm strong.
Yeah, and being strong is not just physically, but I believe mentally strong. Kasi pag mahina daw po ang ating mindset, mahina din yung ating result. So you have to have a strong mindset talaga. Thank you, Ann. And for the last part, we're gonna talk about the impact, empowerment, and next level. So what do you want other single moms out there to learn from your journey? Ano yung gusto mong maintindihan, malaman, matutunan ang mga viewers natin ng mga single mom out there?
I just wanted to share to everybody, na especially na like me, or even na have partner na they need to be strong. So whatever your dreams in, you have to make sure na huwag kang matakot to do something para sa sarili mo and para sa kids mo. I know all of us, even na mom tayo, may mga pangarap pa rin tayo. You just need to push through na tuparin yung pangarap mo. And then whatever naman po na kung sobrang hirap yan, we have lots of community or friends. You can talk to your friends or to your parents para i-guide kayo.
Get the keywords, believe in yourself and make a decision and take an action. Right? Hindi pa pwedeng believe and wish, no action.
Yes po.
You just need to go out there and be comfortable in uncomfortable situations. For sure, maraming uncomfortability, right?
Yeah.
Pero later on, delayed gratitude, maghirap ka ngayon, sasaya ka later. Not yung ubos biyaya, bukas tunga. So, budgeting din.
Yeah, you have to balance po. So,
Balance time management, financial management. There you go. So, kompletos regados na tayo. Again, what's the next level for Ann Curtis here in Edmonton? Ano ang next level ni Ann Curtis?
Our next level is to expand this. So that's my my goal is
The
to
next-
expand this branch in the Philippines, that's
Wow.
in Philippines, and more business. So not just in beauty. So I have other business na not in the beauty pero
May iba pa.
yes
Iyan
po.
yung entrepreneurial
So,
mindset,
yes po.
no?
So mas ang brain ko kasi more on business like not just
Hindi lang sa isang
having-
basket.
yeah,
Dapat meron ka pang ibang
Yes
basket
po.
na pwedeng
Mhm,
mag-flow
mhm,
yung finances
yes
mo.
po.
That's great. Again, that was a brilliant and wonderful plan. Going to the next level. My last question for this last part is, if your future self could talk to you today, yung future self mo, Ann, ano kaya ang sasabihin niya ngayon sa'yo?
I'm proud of you.
Wow, nice. Ang galing!
Thank you.
I'm proud of you. That means you are going extra mile for sure. And thank you, Ann.
Mhm.
At ngayon, dumako naman tayo sa Fast Talk bago tayo magtapos. Are you ready, Ann?
Mhm.
Meron tayong Fast Talk dito. Walang maling sagot.
Okay po.
Okay?
Ano ba,
Ay-
yes or no lang?
It could be yes or no, or it could be choose the word. Ito po, ang Ann Curtis from Struggle to Sparkle. Here we go. Pili ka rito, Ann. Skincare or self-care?
Self-care.
Heartbreak or hard work?
Hard work.
Philippines or Canada?
Oh my God. Both?
Isa lang.
Philippines.
Okay, level up or glow up?
Level up.
Best advice you ever received?
Best advice, you have to be ambitious.
Message to your younger self.
Message to my younger self is,
Nung naghihirap ka pa sa Pilipinas nun. Yung ang tatay mo jeepney driver.
ang message ko sa,
Yung younger,
uh, no,
parang ayaw mo balikan yung pagkabata mo. Na-delay ka doon.
na-delay na ako.
Mukhang na-delay ka doon.
Oo.
Kasi nga sumobra yung takbo mo no?
Opo.
Kung babalikan mo yung younger self mo, ano yung masasabi mo kay maliit na little Ann?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry because you experienced all of those. Okay lang.
Move on na siya.
Move on na. Okay na yun.
Again, napaka ganda ng ating kwentuhan dito sa To The Next Level. And again, mapapanood ito ng iyong mga anak sa mga susunod na henerasyon. At anong gusto mong iwanan sa kanila, sa iyong mga anak? What is your message to your kids?
To my children, Hannah, Damien, and Natalie, Mommy loves you so much. I will do everything for you guys. Even na sobrang hirap at ako lang. Nandiyan naman yung daddy niyo, of course. Nandiyan naman. But, Mommy is always here for you. I will give everything for you. Lahat ng pangarap na ginagawa ko para sa inyo din. Lahat ng ginagawa ni Mommy para sa inyo. So, if Mommy will leave you, hindi na kayo maghihirap. Yun, thank you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Alright, palakpan. At again, napakarami ng ating napag-usapan and maraming salamat all the way from Toronto. We're here in Edmonton. This plan is brought to you by First Love Yourself Movement. We're advocating how to first love yourself. And To The Next Level podcast. Again, it's not about me.
It's not about you.
It's
It's
all
about
about we
to
to
the
the
next
next
level.
level.